Anyone thinking of growing passion fruit? From planting to harvest, it took less than 5 months total. In March, I cut open 2 old tires on one side, then stacked them together. Filled them with a mix of rice husks and goat manure-enriched soil. Just preparing the soil took me the entire afternoon. These tires hold a lot more than I thought. I even buried a homemade fermentation barrel inside. Tossed in all my leftover kitchen scraps to ferment. Melon rinds, fruit peels, rotten fish guts and shrimp shells all turned into nutrients. When watering, it seeps out through small holes to feed the roots. Passion fruit is a climbing vine, so I prepped a simple trellis structure. Luckily, the double tire base holds everything solid. Added 2 wooden sticks for extra support. Built a basic frame on top. Even rigged a plastic bottle into a drip watering tool. Just flipped it upside down and controlled water flow with the bottle cap. Planted 1 seedling on each side of the trellis. They climbed the frame directly as they grew. 3 months later, the vines covered the whole frame. They grew unbelievably fast, thanks to the rich soil underneath. Around that time, flowers started blooming. The flower shapes were stunning, with layers radiating out from the center. The vines stayed lush and green, but they grew too wildly, so I had to prune them back. By the 5th month, the air was full of a sweet aroma. Turns out the vines were loaded with plump, juicy passion fruits, some deep purple, others bright green, all glistening under the sun. Absolutely irresistible shine. Now by the end of July, it's harvest time. Slice one open, and the fragrance bursts into the air.